The Advanced Sync Strategies course for Ari Stake Academy that Bo Williams teaches, we actually have sync agency showcases twice a year, and we work to get our students deals with sync agents because the sync agents have the relationships with the music supervisors. It is not really recommended to pitch music supervisors. Most of them are not taking unsolicited music or music from musicians they don't know because they get burned. I mean, listen to my episode with Madonna Wade Reed. She's a music supervisor extraordinaire. She's been doing this for 20 years. Listen to my interview with Lindsay Wolfington, Jen Malone. I've interviewed so many music supervisors on the show. They are all extremely hesitant about taking music directly from artists because most of the time artists don't understand all of the rights that are involved in getting your song placed. You might think that you own the rights because you released the song and Spotify accepted it. One is audio only, one is visual, syncing it to video. So if you don't understand all these rights, then you might realize that you can't clear them, and then the music supervisor's in hot water because they thought they cleared a song that they couldn't clear, and now there's a bunch more people to pay. The publishers are coming after them, and they could lose their job if they mess this thing up. A lot of them like working with trusted parties. Those are labels, publishing companies, sync agents. So I would recommend working with a sync agent. Now, that being said, there are music supervisors that I have spoken with who will take music directly from artists. Now, how do you find them? Well, find the shows that have music that is similar to your music and learn sync licensing top to bottom. Join our course and talk to trusted sources, but make sure you understand rights fully on when it comes to sync licensing, and you can pitch. Track down the music supervisor's contact information. This day and age, you can find anyone's contact information. Track down their contact, pitch them in the way that they want to be pitched. On this show, you can listen to some of these interviews. These supervisors have told me exactly how they want to be pitched. What does the email look like? All of that stuff.